issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska until 4 p.m. At 1:55 p.m., emergency management reported that earlier heavy rainfall has resulted in water over 565th Avenue just north Highway 136, making it impassable. Flash flooding is already occurring. The storms associated with the heavy rain are moving to the east of the area, so conditions are expected to improve in the next couple of hours. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Flash flooding will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Jefferson County. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.